All right, hi folks. We're going to show you a little bit how all the options you have to raise the blinds up and down in one of our new coaches. So there's at least 3 different ways right here right now that I can show you. First of all, I'm going to show you the hard buttons right here. We're in the salon area. These are the hard, one button does one side of the coach, the curb side of the coach. So I can put them down as long as I hold the button. And the other button does the driver's side of the coach. I can put them down or I can put them back up. With the hard buttons, you have to hold your finger on the button. But then, the next option, go to the remote control, which is the iPad. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to go down to here to shades. And it gives you the 3 different rooms that you can have control of the shades in. Let's do the salon. You have control over each individual blind if you want it, or each side of the coach, like driver's side or curb side. Or in the center, you've got the whole room you can do. And down. And here you don't have to hold the button. Your one press brings them all the way down. On the way down, you can stop them if you want, or continue down. Now that was just in the salon. So we've got individual blind control for the 3 different rooms, but up here at the top right corner, we've got an all coach shades up, down, or stop button. So I'm going to press all coach down. And now we've got the shades throughout the whole coach, even the bedroom, going down, and the cockpit. And besides the controls on the iPad, John, if you look at the dash monitor, it's a mirror of the iPad. Same controls are on the dash monitor for the shades. So you've got the dash monitor, you've got the 3 iPads in the coach, and then you've got the hard buttons in the salon and in the bedroom that will allow you to work the shades.